Welcome back, everyone. If you're looking for ways to update your home this fall, we have called in the perfect person.
Yeah, joining us is the home improvement and lifestyle expert, Kathryn Emery. Good to see you again.
If fall is here, I have to come talk to my favorites about the coolest things for your house, right?
Yes.
You want to start with something that's good in the summer and it kind of carries over into the fall.
Absolutely. So outdoor living, it continues to be a trend, especially here in Southern California. Add that water feature, add that fire feature, because not only is it going to create that zen, it's also going to increase your home's value. Now, when you're going to do that, go to an expert that's all they do, right? So I have out here items from the Outdoor Plus. All right, so this is called the Atlas, as you can see here. This is really a statement piece for a business. We don't have the fire on here, but as you can see, it's a combo water fire feature here. Right here, this is the Maya. This is one of my personal favorites here. We've got the Sequoia here. This is made to look like real wood, but it's concrete. We got some great footage of these in action.
Yeah.
But this is all made in the USA, right here in Ontario, California. They can customize it. So whether you're a homeowner, whether you're a landscaper, whether you're a builder, you need to know this company, because as you can go on their website, see they have all these cool things. The tiki torch is there, but you can also customize it. So.
I love the mixture between fire and water.
Don't you?
It's kind of cool in one thing, and this really is water.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. These are
cool.
real features
here. Behind you here?
Yeah.
Isn't it amazing? And just so you know, our KTLA viewers can win this Sequoia fire pit. They just go to theoutdoorplus.com later today for more details.
Oh.
So now let's talk about floors.
Okay.
Lou, are you going to be my?
Sure, I'll mop.
So okay, let's talk about cleaning our floors. It's not fun. No one really wants to do it, right?
Yeah.
This is why this is my favorite mop on the market. This is the Rejuvenate Click and Clean. So you click the cleaner in.
Okay.
You spray it and you go. As you can see here, the mop head is extra wide. So what does that mean? You're cleaning less because it's covering more surface area.
And look, it turns.
It turns. It also has a microfiber pad. Take off the pad, wash it, use it over and over again. All right, what else? Here you go. Exactly, Glenn. Grab that. They also have something called Restore. So do you have scratches on your floor that you need to fix, whether it's tile, wood, laminate, whatever it is, you have pets, this is a one-coat application. It's going to fill in those scratches, bring back that shine, and actually protect it moving forward. So not the sexiest thing to do, but if you're going to do it, well, I mean, you make it look good.
Well,
but,
thanks. It's a good one-arm workout.
One-arm workout, right?
Yeah.
So just an easy...
You look like an ad from the 1960s.
I'm mopping in my high heels.
Mopping in her high heels and a dress.
Right, exactly.
Life is so tough.
So fabulous.
All right, what's doing home security?
All right, home security, right? We all have something smart in our homes, right? Whether it's Amazon, Alexa, whether it's a thermostat, whatever it is. But once we leave the door, it's not so smart anymore. So Swan Security has come up with a solution for you. This is their Max Ranger security camera. So instead of installing it on your house, you install it on the perimeter of your house. So think about a fence post, a tree. So it can go up to 650 feet. So that's 2 football fields if it has to get through stuff. Concrete, bricks, wood, whatever. 2,000 feet if it's unimpeded. So just think about it. And the way it does this, it's got its own Wi-Fi system that it's talking to. It's got solar panels built right on the top, so it's always charging, so you never have to think about it. So you're getting everything you want in a security camera, that high-def picture, you know, the two-way talk. Also, you know what I love? No subscription fees. So you get all that footage. So think about it. It's a new way to secure your home. Instead of looking out, you're looking
at that.
in.
Yes.
And even if you have an existing system, you can add these since you don't have to pay the monthly fees and it operates on its own. Just set them and forget them.
In one.
It's like a detail.
Okay.
It's like the bouncers on the outside of your house taking care of it all the time.
Exactly. Okay, air filter is very important. People forget.
Yes. Okay, so every 6 months to a year, we need to change our air filter, right? It looks like this. It's disgusting, right? You throw it away. Somebody do a demo for me here, Lou. Do you want to just bend that a little bit? So K&N, they've been in the air filtration system for automotive for years. They are now, you can grab it, Glenn, check it out. They are now in the home space. So this is an HVAC filter. How you clean it, you take it out, you wash it, you put it back in. Guess what? It lasts 10 years.
Wow.
You are not buying an air filter anymore.
That's cool.
Because of the durability, it also is filtering out all that bad stuff you don't want in your air. All the pollen, all the pet dander, all that stuff.
What's it called?
This is K&N.
K&N.
So you'll know them. The automotive folks know this. It's a great, you can just here, we'll put it right there. There we go.
I love it.
Yep.
Thank you so much. It's amazing. Yes,
so glad.
everyone's super happy to see it all.
Absolutely.
All right, for more information on Kathryn and the products featured here today, go to her website, bethebesthome.com.
I am so excited about everything she has out there, which makes me wonder. Actually, it just ages me because I want all of that stuff for my house.